I'm back with a look at Gala. If you're looking at the screen, you can clearly, if you know anything about charts, you can clearly see what we're looking at here. You got 1, 2, double bottom. This is on the 4-hour chart. I mean, you can take it out as far as you want. 8-hour, 12-hour, daily. Got double bottom here. It's extremely bullish. All right, that's what you look for in markets for reversals, potential reversal points. But this is looking good. You got your daily RSI. Pull it up here, heading towards the upside. Where's the weekly? Weekly right on the bottom. It looks beautiful. Yeah, you got a potential big move coming here out of Caspa, or out of Gala. I apologize. Let's take a quick look over here at the bubbles, see what's going on with the rest of the market here. Having a pretty decent day out there. Nice green day out there. Last hour, a little bit of red there. You expect that, especially after you have stuff popping like this. As far as the week goes, no, it's well, of course, this week just started. Yeah, and it's just Tuesday, so nice run out there so far. Nice beginning to the week. All right, on a monthly time frame, here's what you're looking at for the month. Okay, now I got some ground to make up, definitely. All right, got Bitcoin doing its thing, making a few moves here. I'm going to show you because we got some important stuff going on here with the market. Number one, Bitcoin dominance. Okay, and we're going to keep this out on a week time frame right here. You can see as soon as this loads up here, this weekly dominance. We're watching for it to make it up to this 60, roughly 60.5 percentile. All right, it's somewhat losing support here though, as it's on its way up here. All right, you can see here. Now you could potentially, I guess, pull this line over. It is not where it was though. Okay, so we'll see how this works out. But looking for it to get up to that that's the 618 Fibonacci line, up at 60.5%. Bitcoin looks like it has potentially hit a bottom here too, right around 58,700. All right, we'll see if it holds this line. Now it's looking pretty good. The weekly is almost reset. The daily looks fantastic. Look at this bounce on the daily. Now, of course, we'll keep an eye on this. I'd watch for a break of this resistance here, to signify any kind of bottom. If it runs up here and gets rejected, it could play around in here for a few days, but we'll definitely keep an eye on this. Okay, now let's head back over to Gala and take a look at this thing. All right, you had this massive wedge forming on here. You had a breakdown. Obviously didn't make, when you have a wedge, you get the target by, better make that a different color. I was using the white board here a little bit ago. It definitely didn't hit no target range for that. All right, now, like I said, this double bottom, not only the double bottom, that weekly RSI being down there. Let's look at the 5-day RSI right on the bottom, heading to the upside. The 3-day right on the bottom. Everything is pointing towards the bottom here. All right, especially in this double bottom, looks absolutely beautiful. Looking for a retracement back up to these higher levels here. Okay, if we take this out on we put a Fibonacci on this thing, we're looking for retracements up to a 618 and 702. Back up. These are going to be a little bit lower now since it's pulled down a little bit out of this wedge. I was not expecting that wedge to break down. I was honestly expecting it to break up. I mean, the target for it to go down just did not make sense, for a target. area. So glad to see it stopped right there. Now that does take out any kind of theory, any kind of anything like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's originally what I had planned. This came way too deep. All right, this should have, for any kind of thing like that, this would have had to stop right up here. All right, this violated that wave 1, so that is out of the question for this. Okay, now we'll just have to see how this plays out. We go by, can we take a bars pattern off the past here? No, we cannot. Okay, if you watch please go check out my Bitcoin video I put out the other day. You know, it makes a lot of sense. If you go to on Bitcoin, let's open this up a little bit. Let me show you. And if you're interested, guys, a level 3 membership for $14.99 supports the channel so much. You get a link to our Discord. The last couple days we killed a Pepe trade. We've nailed the bottoms on a bunch of stuff. You know, we've been doing very well with the trade. So you get a link to the Discord. You get over 22 videos to teach you how to start charting, over 9 hours of videos, all right, and that link to the Discord. So you know, please check it out. It's only 15 bucks. You know, watch the videos before you come over and start leverage trading with us. But you know, you can potentially make your money back very, very fast, especially with the trading. All right, now if we take a bars pattern off here, 2017 till there, you know, technically the top of Bitcoin was right here. All the technicals indicate that, everything. This should have been technically the top right there, right? Everything leads that way. All right, pull this over and put this on here. We're potentially, you know, a little bit further in the bull run than we might think. All right, maybe something like that. Maybe Bitcoin gets at you know, right up to about 80-some thousand bucks. And if you put a trend-based fib on this thing, all right, to get a target, trend-based fib to the top, to the retracement. Yeah, look at that. And what is that, 89? I've got my glasses on. Yeah, 89,000 bucks, right around there. You know, so we could be a little bit further than we think, guys. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. You know, and all these charts, you know, could potentially look like that. You know, I mean, we're not. The accumulation phase is over. We're, you know, any kind of Wyckoff accumulation down through here, that's done. You know, it's over. We've started an uptrend. Okay, nothing in the past back there. Any kind of, it's past any you know, 618 or 702 here. You know, that kind of areas. So, you know, we could be, like I said, this could be potentially further ahead than we're thinking. Take a bars pattern off the total market cap. And from there, you know, take the top here, pull it over, put it where we're starting to move here. Right to this one on the bottom here. Yeah, it's starting to form out, you know, starting to look a little similar, you know. It just, yeah, we're further ahead than we think, you know. This could end up, you know, it's hard to say. Let's put a trend-based fib on it let's see what that says. From low to the high, to the retracement. Yeah, it's giving the target up at about 3.2 trillion. This, yeah, that would potentially be this burst wave, maybe. And then a blow off top. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. But anyway, they're just playing around with these charts. You know, the accumulate, like I said, the accumulation's done. If you take time wise, you know what I mean. From bull run to bull run and all that, you know, lines up. You know. Come back, just go back to the prior, but let's say from here. Let's get a time frame here. Date range. From this top to this top, we got 1,400 days. All right, so if we go out from, from top 1,400 days, we'll take this out. That goes to September of 2025. This was potentially our top right back here. Okay, that's where Bitcoin topped the first time, which would be roughly 1,200 days. Okay, 1,200 days. That was technically our top. All the indicators, even prove that. The pi cycle top indicator, all the indicators everybody looks at says that. Okay, so what, 1,200? There's 1,246, 12. Let's get this right here. Try not to go too fast. There's 1,211. All right, that's March 3rd of 2025. Yeah, that 1,200 days, that's on that. All right, but if you come over and do this on Bitcoin, which, hey, I am a bull, man. The case for a longer bull run, it plays in all of our favor, right? Absolutely. Now, if we take a date range from here, let's try this out here. Okay, I haven't done this, so this is all new here. To here, all right, this was technically the top. If you go over here, pi cycle top indicator, right here. Okay, 2021. Right there, May 20th roughly. That's a top. That's what it indicated. This was our second one. This was the higher high that we got, but this was technically the top right there. I mean, all the indicators go there. All right, so Bitcoin, go back on here. If you take it from that top to there, that's 1,225 days. Okay, so if we take it from there, 1,225, 1,267, 250, close enough. That's August. There's 1,225 right on the head. Okay, what is that? July, August 5th. Yeah, that says August 5th. All right, take that bars pattern. August 5th. Pull this over. It's only going to there. I mean, that would be, which one? Does this play out similar? You know what I mean? Does it play out to what happened last time similarly? Do we get this? This is Bitcoin. Do we get a massive pullback down to? Could you imagine 40,000? Everybody would think it was totally over and then run back up. I don't know if it's going to play similar to that, or if we're going to get this push here, just this one right here, and the party's over. The beginning of August here. And then push this over just a little bit over here. Is this all we get? I don't know. We'll see how it plays out, but that would mean, a lot of the altcoins aren't going to set new all-time highs, all that, but we'll see how it plays. All right, first things first, we're looking for a target, a retrace on Gala up to 6.3 to 6.3 to 6.8. Okay, if we go out on a monthly on Gala, I am obviously looking. I'm looking for a lot higher prices on Gala games. No question about it. This all looks like a wave 1, 2 to me, on a monthly. If you look at this thing, doesn't look, let's go back on the weekly here, try to get that. Yeah, it didn't turn out to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We violated all that, but yeah, we'll see how this plays out, guys. There is a resistance line here on Gala, you can see on the weekly here, and once right down through here. All right, get a break of that, and and this thing could definitely start picking up some steam. So that's our targets we're shooting for. Right up to the 6.3 to 6.8. That's retracement levels. We'll see what happens when we get there. And but like I said, that's our first target. Then we'll deal with after that. If we break through them areas, 12.4 is the next target up there. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Hope I didn't confuse you too much there with the chart patterns and stuff. I just think we're further ahead in this cycle than everybody's. You know, I hope I'm wrong. I do. I hope I'm wrong. But time-wise, 1,200 days, that was the top right there. Hopefully, I'd love to see it drag out to the second top, 1,400 days. 1,400, that would take us out to what? 14. That would take us out to February. Roughly February 17th. That would maybe be that second top. So maybe this first top, and then maybe it does play out similar to last time. Get this first push, everybody thinks that's it. Then we get a second one. Maybe it plays out like that. We'll see. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. Go sign up for that level 3 membership. We'd love to have you over there in the Discord. Have a great day.